Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Bowker. I am a licensed professional counselor at Braden Counseling Center, and we are proud members of the DeKalb Chamber. Today I want to talk to you guys about a different relaxation technique you can try just to help with the stress or the anxiety with everything that's going on in the world, or just with everyday stress and anxiety from friends, family, school, or work, or anything like that. So it's called 4-7-8 breathing. And in the counseling world, we like to call that miracle breathing because it does a really good job at relaxing the body, kind of working on regulating our body's natural fight or flight response if you're in a panic or in a worried state, and just being able to work on getting us into a better state of mind. So I'm going to go over with how this is going to work, and then I'll go over it with you guys at the very end so you can kind of see what it looks like. So what you're first going to do is you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds through your nose. You're going to hold that breath in for 7 seconds, and you can just count in your head. It'll be kind of hard to do it when you're breathing. And then when you release it, you're going to release it for 8 seconds through your mouth, making the sound. So it's kind of going to look something like this. So you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds. So and you repeat that for as many times as you need it. But as you can see, I'm sure you saw that my shoulders, they were, up here. As I was doing this, they just kind of brought down because it just gets the whole body released from any stress or anxiety. So go ahead and use that. I hope it helps, guys. And, we'll all get through this together. Thank you.